So, fellow peeps of the internet, a fellow people of the internet asked me a question about lunar ice. For those of you who don't know, there is water on the moon. But the fellow people of the internet asked, what is the point of it? Why is it there? How did it get there? And we're going to answer these questions here and now with the power of hydration and then education. So, yeah, water on the moon, lunar water, although it's never been water. The water that is currently on the lunar surface is only in its ice form and only at the north and south polar regions of the moon, and also in craters deep enough to protect it from the sun, because the second that the sun comes into contact with lunar ice, the ice just evaporates, and all the hydrogen and oxygen that makes water is just lost to the ethos of space. Also, the water on the moon is hella old. Now, what I mean by the age of the water on the lunar surface is partly to do with how it got there. Because how the hell do we get water to the moon? The answer? Space trash. Well, debris, I should say. Every time there's two celestial bodies collide, or a planet explodes, or a star is born, or a star dies, stuff gets scattered into the ethos of space all the bloody time, and the moon, Luna, gets twatted with asteroids, meteorites, comets, every bloody week. And whatever is trapped within those meteorites, comets, or whatever, gets deposited on the lunar surface. Ice that's been travelling for thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of years through the vast void of space eventually makes it to the moon. But Alex, I hear you all cry, what is the point of lunar ice? There isn't any. Well, there is potential for the lunar ice being some kind of water source for future moon missions, because once we create a somewhat permanent base on the moon, it would be nice to have a water source closer than Earth, because water is one of those things that it is an absolute bastard to transport. Like, getting water to the ISS costs millions of dollars and a lot of research into how to get this liquid bollocks into space. So if it was already in space and we could, melt it, purify it, and then drink it safely, lunar water for those lunar astronauts. But until then, it's just, we have ice on the moon. Cool.